Can I jump start a car with a bad starter? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, first of all, if your car won't start and you put a jump on it and it fires right up, then most likely you have an issue with the battery. Either something drained it or it's bad. Typically, if you have a bad starter, jump starting it's not going to make any difference at all. Sometimes if the starter's weak but not completely bad, it can work that way. So, also, if the car won't jump start, make sure you're using the proper jump starting procedures. We're going to include a link in the video because a couple years ago we did shoot a video on how to properly jump start. So if it jump starts, probably not the starter. If it doesn't jump start, it's possible that it is the starter. Hope this answers your question, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.